I'm watching the news.
The last recorded handshake occurred at 8:19 a.m., nearly 7 hours after the plane disappeared from radar. This final signal indicated that the aircraft and operational. However, there was no subsequent handshake an hour later.
If you know, it's a 2014 that MH airline disappeared and lost contact. So it's about 10 years. 10 years or nearly 11 years now. From Singapore towards Beijing. So I'm watching about the news.
Here in Australia could get you 7 times better results than any other HP
The thriller movie that the boyfriend is a killer. Revenger. Revenge. And it's a serial killer. And the girlfriend doesn't know at first till she live in the house where brought he brought her to a big house. That's the time that she found out that the guy is a serial killer, sociopath, crazy psycho. What a movie is this? Well, yesterday or Saturday, me and my sister watch a movie from YouTube titled The Bride. It's another scary movie about the bride. There's a tradition that need this man who in love to a wife that died and need to bring her back to life, and the only thing is that she can go to another body that it's pure body, means it's a virgin body, pure body, never touch. That's the best, and the surely that will be able to do the um, to bring the death to life. And then it's being a tradition every time that the body getting old. She need to find a body to go, but it will need a pure body that it's virgin. That means it's more easy to transfer spiritually to what do you call that, when possess is being possessed inside this pure body. But the other one, the last one, this because it's in tradition, so the last one that suppose she will enter have already a relationship to her great grandson, so it did not work. So the title, The Bride, watch it on YouTube. Hello guys, as I said, there's a good movie that me and my sister watch. You call it The Bride on YouTube. That this man really fall in love to his wife, and the wife died and want to bring her back to life. So what she done is she get a body. It's a like 18th century movie that happened till it goes to a modern time, that is being tradition to have a body that she can possess and to live in. So it just need to be a virgin young woman that will work. So if not a virgin, I think she's not able to possess the body and will not work. So watch it from YouTube. The title, The Bride.